Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Dougie D, part number 2 of the Pizza Taco Challenge. This fucking shit's okay, so Pizza Taco Challenge, we got the fucking tomatoes, the lettuce, the pizza is all cooked, so I'm just gonna coat this shit in a little bit. I really want to pile it on there and then like, just put it on there, I guess. Some ground beef. So you guys can see it's extra.
Did you get dust in your eye?
Zoom in on that. That's pizza right there.
Sorry, over here.
Yeah, this is bad. Bad for you.
Sorry.
His epic fail at opening up the cheese. Finally made progress.
Okay, there we go. Last parts.
Yeah, it's a pretty dress.
Okay, so
Over here. If she had the words to say it.
Oh, I see.
Saray, come over here. Saray, come sit your butt down over here.
I appreciate the home, and he knows that if ever he needs
hi, sweetie.
somebody to help him as well.
So this is the Pizza Taco Challenge. Rest of it, business. Just gonna blow this bad boy up. This.
Days come to a close, and Jeremy says days are busy.
This idea was recommended to me by one of my friends. He wanted to see this done. So this is for you, buddy. You know who you are. Hopefully you watch this video. Alright, here it goes.
Just so you know, there's only allowed 10 minutes. Forgot to delete some videos.
Huh?
There's only allowed 10 minutes of video footage.
Well, what the fuck, man? This is not gonna take 10 minutes.
Still wouldn't have only been 15 minutes.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Oh, I don't get it.
Because Louisiana picture frame. David, my family, never been in family, you ain't got family, you ain't got nothing. Me and David, had a good time.
So there you guys go. Expect number 2 video.
Swamp legend there.
You guys know that I don't like to do that. So you guys that watch my videos.
Doris is playing right now.
Around here, anyway. Man, I ain't got my haircut up. Look at that, and go here, put this on there, on this way. When you go put this up, open the lid. Somebody come by here and drop it on that joint. Yeah, I might drink one of these. Then I get good.
Oh, no. What's that?
So she doesn't like to smile.
Oh, I see.
Come sit with Uncle? Huh? Uncle's got his right now.
I don't want to sit there.
No.
Come, you can sit over here. Come.
You can sit on Uncle's lap.
Come here. I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Boy, it takes everything on you when you enter it.
Pizza? It's Uncle's big taco, right? You can have tacos too. Okay, Daddy making tacos.
Not for another at least half hour.
For what?
Dinner.
So we can eat this for dinner?
Yeah, not for at least another half hour.
Hang on, dude, can you come here for a minute? Hold the camera? Just gotta find something.
That fucking board. With only 3 days left, Landry family's in trouble. 4 days ago,
It's a new
abdominal hernia. What you did?
Hi.
Strict doctor's orders not to hunt until he's healed. Because of my hernia, doctor told me to take it easy and not do nothing more than anything for 6 weeks. And that came out. Since Troy got hurt, Jacob's taking charge. But even with the help of some guys, they still have 45 tags to fill. Landry family, you always
I found it! Sparkle! That's it! I found it! Yeah.
It's yuck.
Even put that.
Troy and his brother Guy and his boys Jacob and Chase are headed to an area that he's heard you can't be accessed by boat.
My tummy. I have belly.
Yeah? You have a belly? It's cute.
Come on here, self, child.
I love that.
I didn't touch me anything on them. You just calm down. 8 minutes, 25 seconds.
Another bite.
On land is extremely dangerous.
Bite.
Right there, you failed the challenge. You didn't eat it all by yourself.
Like she fucking took a big bite.
So, one little tiny
Anybody
bite
that
and took it
thinks
out.
that's a fail, you guys can go and go straight up.
Nothing.
What is your bathroom?
Straight down the hall.
Anybody that is watching this, I'm thinking about doing the Pierogi challenge again. For anybody that doesn't know what it is, basically I have a big plate of pierogies.
But it doesn't pay off.
I attempted to do this challenge. I failed at it because I was trying to eat 70 pierogies. I only ate 48. And the guy on YouTube, not exactly sure what his name is, but he ate 64.
I don't know how much time exactly it has on here.
When I do these videos, I'm not trying to out-top anybody or be better than anybody.
No, look! The Star
kind of say that I'm just inspired. I want people to watch my videos.
Just pick it up. Gotta go somewhere else. 175 miles west.
You know, if anybody just like and comment, post on the video. Other stuff that you'd like to see me do. Try and keep it within reason. I will give it my shot. Always looking for new videos. I'm trying to upload them as fast as I can. You have trouble doing that sometimes.
I guess I have more than 11 minutes. Or it might be just 11 minutes. Nope.
I mean, that's just like taking money out of your pocket. So we gotta get that
Did
game.
it cut off?
So the man don't lose.
No. Still recording. But it's showing the time red though.